Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use ClickWhale's Keyword Auto-Linker feature, a simple but powerful way to turn keywords across your site into automatic affiliate or internal links. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard and under ClickWhale, click on Links. Select your preferred link and click the link or edit button. Then go to Keyword Auto-Linker tab. In the Keyword Auto-Linker tab, a keyword section is added by default. So if you'd like to use 2 or more keywords, simply click Add More. Start by entering your keyword. This is the word or phrase you want to auto-link across your content. Next, you can also adjust the replacement limit. This lets you control how many times a keyword is linked in a single post. For example, setting it to 1 means the keyword will only be linked the first time it appears. For the link target, you can choose whether the link opens in a new tab or in the same tab. Now, once you're happy with your setup, just click Save Link. And that's it! Your keyword will now be auto-linked across your posts. Here's how it looks on the front end. The keyword you specified is now automatically linked to your chosen destination. No need to manually insert links one by one. With ClickWhale's Keyword Auto-Linker, you can save time, stay consistent, and boost your link strategy with ease. Have questions? Visit our docs or reach out to support. We're happy to help.